News which is coming in at the moment, Rahul Gandhi's allegation that the Election Commission is stealing votes is now escalating. The BJP is slamming the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha, that is Rahul Gandhi, over his comment. BJP MP Nishikant Dubey is attacking Rahul Gandhi. BJP MP said Rahul Gandhi's mindset is dangerous for India. He is supporting terror organizations. This is news which is coming in at the moment. Rahul Gandhi yesterday said that the Election Commission is stealing the votes. He also said that they have data to prove otherwise. Also said there will be a big nuclear explosion once they come out with the data and prove what the Election Commission is up to.
वोट चोरी हो रही है और अब हमारे पास ओपन एंड शट प्रूफ है कि इलेक्शन कमीशन वोट चोरी में इन्वॉल्व है। और मैं लाइटली नहीं बोल रहा हूं, मैं 100% प्रूफ के साथ बोल रहा हूं, ठीक है। और आप सबको पता लग जाएगा, जैसे ही हमने ये रिलीज किया पूरे देश को पता लग जाएगा कि इलेक्शन कमीशन वोटर चोरी करा रहा है। किसके लिए करा रहा है, किसके लिए करा रहा है? बीजेपी के लिए करा रहा है। ओपन एंड शट है, नो क्वेश्चन।
My colleague Shreya Chatterjee is now joining me on the story. Shreya, we have seen how it has become a war of sorts between Rahul Gandhi and the Election Commission. Rahul Gandhi very clearly said that the entire country will get to know what the Election Commission is up to. The BJP MP Nishikant Dubey is saying that all these remarks are false.
Well, Aishwarya, this is something that Rahul Gandhi has been at for a very long time. He's been claiming that there has been a voter theft, inclusion of suspected migratory ghost voters. That's one of the major claims that Rahul Gandhi has been harping since the time of after Maharashtra elections. Now, as you rightly pointed it out, he's saying that there will be some kind of evidence that will be presented, likely on the 5th of August. However, as you also cover Election Commission, Aishwarya, it's the ECI first who said that these are all baseless allegations. And now Nishikant Dubey from the BJP is saying that Rahul Gandhi, who's always diluting the sovereignty of the country, especially drawing analysis from Rahul Gandhi's conversation with American MP Crowley, that how he's talking about one of the organizations who's actually leashed terror in the soil of Jammu and Kashmir. Allegedly, Rahul Gandhi siding with organizations like that. And this is the instance that he's using to say that this is the kind of man who's actually also trying to dilute our administration. It will be interesting to see how the ECI responds, if at all Rahul Gandhi presents with all those, allegation evidence that he's suggesting. But the BJP will be leaving no stone unturned to ensure that they actually point out against Rahul Gandhi as someone who is anti-India. That's exactly what the attempt of Nishikant Dubey is also.
Thank you, Shreya, giving us all those details at the moment.